Google Classroom is a course management tool for developing and administering instructional content, building online learning communities, and recording and analyzing student assessment data, all through the convenience of a web browser or mobile app. The basic functions of Google Classroom include announcements, course content, assignments, submissions, assessments, and grading. Teachers can benefit from Google Classroom because it offers a platform for classroom activities, a supplement to face-to-face classes, and a go-to location for distance classes. Students can benefit from Google Classroom because it provides a one-stop place for their classwork, announcements, and grades. It is also a platform to access resource links, Google Meet, Calendar, and Drive. Google Classroom is currently free to try most features, but users must agree to a disclaimer that they will not use it with students. Schools or districts can purchase Google Education accounts, which includes all features of Google Classroom. The following tutorial can be used by teachers to create a Google Classroom. To begin, sign into your Google account or create a Google account. Click the waffle on the top right corner of Google and choose Google Classroom. On the top right corner of your dashboard, click the plus symbol. Select Create a Class. Agree that you will not use it with students. Name your class. This is what your students will see on their dashboard. Section, subject, and room are optional. Once you're done, click Create. If you want to create a new banner or theme in Google Classroom, then click Customize on the top right, or you can keep it as is. The announcements are great to communicate with your students. To create an announcement, just click Announce something to your class, then click Post when you're finished typing it. In the Classwork tab, click the plus Create. Choose Assignment, Quiz Assignment, Question, Material, or Reuse Post. Once you choose an option, type a title of your assignment and any optional instructions. Then you will attach materials. On the right of the assignment in Google Classroom, choose Class, Students, Points, Due Date, Topic, and/or Rubric. Once you choose those options, you will click Assign. Now, if you go back to the Stream tab, you'll find the class code. You can either share your code with students or you can share a link with your students. For students to access Google Classroom, they'll also create a Google account and go to the same spot for Google Classroom. And once they're there, they'll also click the plus symbol. From there, instead of create a class, they're going to click join a class. And they'll either paste the code, or if they are given a link, they would just click the link to go to Google Classroom. Once in the room, students can read the announcements or look at the assignments listed in Stream. Alternatively, they can go to Classwork and look for the assigned work. If they were given any grades, they would have a grade tab to view their grades. Google Classroom is an intuitive program used by numerous schools across the world. Prior to the pandemic, it was used as a face-to-face tool for resources and assessments. During and post-pandemic, Google Classroom became a necessary tool for distance students to access materials. Google, which is a driving force for education, is constantly evolving according to the teacher and student needs. This allows for teaching and learning to be more effective and efficient. I use Google Classroom with my current undergraduate IT course for teaching about course management systems. They submit a complete course that includes an announcement, quiz, and customized banner. Students find it to be an important part of their learning process since many will use it in their future classrooms. Thanks for watching.